And welcome back to Island Life Live. Find the professionals you need for your next big project. From financing to pouring foundations, there's something for everyone at the BIA Hawai'i Big Home Building and Remodeling Show. And joining me once again is my friend Roseann Freitas. She is the CEO of BIA Hawai'i, and Eva Marie Whitworth, the education specialist over at BIA. Hi, Eva.
Good, how are you?
Welcome to the show. You know, Roseann's been here like plenty times, so we just want to share a special aloha. Welcome to the show.
Mahalo.
All right, let's talk about the big show. It's happening this weekend. Kūpuna Day is Sunday, which is always cool. But you folks are also doing something for the keiki as well. Can you share about that?
We're really excited about our keiki corner this year because we know that parents usually have to bring their kids, and so there needs to be something there for them to engage with. But also at the same time, we want it to be an educational experience. So we have a few things going on. One is we're going to be doing some story time telling with the book, The House That She Built. And so we'll have some of our women professionals coming in to read this. We're also doing CPR training, which we alluded to yesterday.
Yes, I like that.
And we're really excited about that. And then we're also doing a birdhouse, building a birdhouse. So I'd like to let Marie share a little bit about what that's going to look like.
Yeah, please do, because I actually have a pet chicken, so I want to know all about this birdhouse build.
Birdhouse.
Yeah.
So of course we're going to have a lot of these wood pieces for them to work on, and it's going to be a lot of engagement with the keikis and the parents as well. And at the end, we're gonna have them pick their drawing of their names, and then we're gonna put them out on each of those 3 birdhouses. We're gonna be doing 3 birdhouses this year.
Oh, wow.
And they're gonna be doing little group projects and all fun and games.
Also, the parents can just drop their kids off. Is this like a kid zone, like you'd find at like a church or something like that, and then you can come back, or the parents have to stay there with the kids?
I still think it would be best if the parents stayed with the kids, because it's a pretty big venue, and it's easy to lose a child sometimes, and you don't want that to happen. So, and especially if maybe they're not comfortable,
Absolutely.
with mom and dad not
and
there.
that's a great bonding for mom and dad and the keiki, and then they can go out and go explore afterwards. Having what they learned from the experts. And the story time, I love this. Now, typically, like we mentioned, when you go for a remodeling show, the target audience would be adults. But you guys, the thing I like about the BIA Home Show is that you guys also are wanting to involve the keiki and kūpuna. Why is that important for the entire family to be there?
Well, first of all, the entire family lives in the space, right? So when you're working on a home, that's their sanctuary.
Right.
That's their safe space. So really, the whole family's involved. But for us too, it's on an educational side. We have a shortage of people in this industry, and we know it's a great industry that actually provides a living wage. And so part of what we do at BIA is we do workforce development.
Oh, okay.
And so we realize we need to educate children that this is a great profession and it's a great way to make a living, and we don't want them to be limited maybe by biases. So we're going to go ahead and show them what a great industry it is.
Yeah, I love that. I really like this book. We were kind of looking at it before we came on. Can you, I guess, share some of that with us?
So what this book really entails, it's for girls, and it's showing that women can do anything.
Absolutely,
They can
100%.
be the carpenter. They can be the drywaller. Do you want to?
Yes. So a lot of the non-traditional jobs, just like carpentry, women like myself could do. I am a carpenter by trade, and
Wow, that's awesome.
I love it. So.
And we have the wahine who's operating the excavator.
Yes, heavy machinery.
I had mentioned that, I don't know how to do that. So can this wahine come to my house too and help us, put in a rock wall or something? This is awesome.
Well,
I
I
love
think
this.
Lena Girl said she wanted to drive it to your house.
Oh, okay, we're gonna just double check on her. Okay, yes, Lena Girl is definitely able to do that. But so if people want to come to the show again, it happens Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Give us the details. Give us all the scoops, and then how much it costs to attend.
So one price, $8, will get you in all 3 days.
Wow.
But if you want to save a little money, go online. It's $2 off a coupon. Just go to our biahawaii.org website. It's going to be Friday night, starting at 4. Doors open at 4, go 4 to 8. Saturday is 9 to 8, and then Sunday is 9 to 4. So we got a lot going on this weekend.
Absolutely, 100%. And our Kūpuna Day is also on Sunday. And of course, take the keiki, especially Saturday, so you can build that birdhouse and enjoy the book. Thank you guys so much for being on here on the show with us. We appreciate it. We're going to see you tomorrow.
I'll see you again tomorrow.
Okay, it's BIA week. All right.